just laid my pecan halves on my sheet pan. Just kind of flatten that out. It looks like some of them are not as half as the others, but that's totally okay. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna come in with my Mrs. Richardson's caramel. I love this caramel because it's so rich and so delicious. I'm gonna grab my mini scooper. This is about a little under a tablespoon. And we're just gonna grab some of that caramel and scoop it right onto our pecans, just like so. We are making a super delicious little candy treat. It's so easy to make and just a hit for everyone. You can make this for Thanksgiving, you can make it for Christmas. All right, you guys, so we have our caramel little scoops on our pecans. Now we're gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, while that's in the fridge, I'm gonna grab my melting dark chocolate and we're gonna put it in our microwave safe container and we're gonna melt this to the instructions on the bag. All right, you guys, so it's been 30 minutes and we have that melted dark chocolate here. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the same scooper that we used for the caramel and we are gonna do a nice little scoop of dark chocolate on each of our little caramel scoops, just like so. Super quick because this chocolate hardens very fast and you want a generous amount of chocolate. You want that caramel to be almost completely covered in chocolate. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be the most decadent candies you've ever had. Okay, now before we continue on, I do not want this chocolate to harden, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some salt because I want these to be a little bit salty. And we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle of salt on our chocolate before it hardens. So I like to do this halfway because that caramel is cold and it will make that chocolate harden super fast. Okay, and I'm just using some regular sea salt, but you can use, you know, whatever salt you have in your pantry. It does not matter. Just a nice little salty touch. It's gonna be so perfect with this. Okay, beautiful. Continue on with our dark chocolate on top of our caramel. Beautiful. Finish up our salt. And you could even add, you know, some sprinkles if you want to make them festive for the holidays. You can make these however you like. They're just little turtle pecan candies, which are my favorite candy for Christmas time. So I definitely love making these homemade. Okay, beautiful. All right, you guys, these are gonna go back in the fridge, but for this time, 1 hour. All right, you guys, these are ready. They are solid. Woo. Okay, let's go ahead and spatula these out. Look at that. She is so gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put it on our serving platter. Okay, I think we can fit one more on our platter right here. Oh my goodness, these look so decadent. So I do recommend keeping these, storing them in your fridge or your freezer, but let's go ahead and give them a try. Ooh, that caramel, the dark chocolate, the pecans, the salt. That is the perfect candy.